Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'll be generating a YouTube thumbnail using Lovart AI, and obviously I'll be taking help from ChatGPT just to show you how simple it is. Uh, it can be done in 15 minutes without any Photoshop or photo editing tools. So let's first try to create the title of the video. So what I'll do, uh, I'll give this prompt to generate a prompt. So what I'm saying, ChatGPT is create an eye-catching YouTube video title. The topic is create a simple game using Google AI Studio. So this is what I'm giving, and I'm asking ChatGPT to give me some suggestion of the subject or the title. So here ChatGPT is giving me some suggestions. This is why I like ChatGPT so much. This is the best tool I have ever used in my whole life till now. So it's gave me different options with different theme. Like this is high impact, click friendly theme. Build a simple game in minutes with Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio, create your first game without coding. I made a game using Google AI Studio. Here's how. Take professional step by step game development. So I'll probably choose Sky. Create a game fast with Google AI Studio. I made game using Google AI Studio. Here's how. Google AI Studio, create your first game without coding. I will probably take this second one. Second one I liked. So now since I have chosen my title of the YouTube video, I need to create a thumbnail. For that, I'll be creating the thumbnail in Lovart.ai, but what I'll do, I will create the prompt for that thumbnail here with ChatGPT. So I'll ask ChatGPT, generate a prompt to create an eye-catching thumbnail for YouTube video with title. Okay, I gave that. I, I said okay, give me the prompt for my YouTube thumbnail with title this one, and make sure thumbnail size, make sure the size of the image works for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I don't need to correct these things, these are okay. And then I think this is good enough. Let's see what prompt it generates. Okay, so it gave me a prompt which I do not want to say it's good or bad. I'll use it as is because I want to save the time. And then what I'll do, I'll be adding one of my image here. So this is the tricky part. I'll be using one of my image here and I'll blend it with the uh, thumbnail, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's copy this prompt. So I copied this prompt, and then what I'm going to say, I'm going to attach this image. mm, I'll give this image, and then I'll say use my picture from image 1 and generate a thumbnail using the prompt and add my image to the thumbnail. Let's see, it's little complex, and then I'll give the prompt. Let's see what happens. So what I did, I said, okay, take my image, create the thumbnail, and then add my image, only my image without a background, into the generated thumbnail. And Lovart is basically very smart. Let's see what it does. If it cannot do it in one go, I have to repeat uh, the prompt, new prompt I have to provide to make it understand what I need. So if you see here, I have these 100 tokens, and yeah, you see, so it has generated this one. Create your first game. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. But it create your first game. It forgot to add the title I gave actually. So if you see here, the title was Google AI Studio first game without coding. So I have to give another prompt. Change the title to because I wanted the title as Google AI Studio, and it missed it. So I gave the second prompt. Let's see if it can use it. It's surprising. It's generating the images and it's not using my tokens. Means the credits I have. Yep. Create your first game without coding. Ah, no. I miss it completely? Google AI Studio, it missed it again. Create your first game. Uh, I'll say add Google AI Studio as well. Also mention Google AI Studio in the title. The complete title is actually title is little bigger for means as usual it's a little bigger title. I think that's why it's keep missing it, but I need that. So the complete title is, so until unless it do it correctly, I have to keep sending him new prompts. Let's see. does this time. It's taking time. So if you see here, it has used Nano Banana Pro. If you see here, right, it has used Nano Banana Pro. So uh, now what it has done, it's changed my image, but now it has added at least Google AI Studio. Create your first game without coding. This is okay. I'm not fully satisfied, but still okay. I'm not going to use this one as is. I probably have to do some little modification on top of this one, but this is how you can create your YouTube thumbnail or any images, right? Just using AI without doing any uh, Photoshop work. So this was it for this video. We'll come back again with new generative AI videos and how it can make our life easy. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.